In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image in Affinity Photo. Fading an image is a simple way to soften a photo, make room for text, or blend graphics together without harsh edges. You'll do this by lowering the opacity of the image layer, which controls how transparent it appears against whatever is behind it. Start by opening Affinity Photo on your computer. Once the app is running, make sure the image you want to work with is open in a document. If you already have a project set up, you're good to go. If not, create a new document and bring your image into it so you can see it on the canvas. The key is that the photo appears as its own layer in the Layers panel. Next, click on the image to select it. You can click it directly on the canvas with the Move tool, or select its layer in the Layers panel on the right. When the correct layer is highlighted, any adjustments you make will affect only that image. This is important, especially if your document has multiple elements. If you're unsure which layer is active, tap the layer name once and look for the highlight to confirm you've selected the image you want to fade. Now adjust the opacity to create the fade. You'll find the opacity control at the top of the Layers panel. It's a slider that ranges from 0% to 100%. Dragging it to the left lowers the opacity and makes the image more transparent. Dragging it to the right, it makes it more opaque. For a gentle fade that softens the image while keeping it visible, try somewhere around 60% to 80%. For a stronger fade, explore 20% to 40%. As you move the slider, watch the canvas to see the effect in real time and stop when it looks right for your design. What you see when you lower opacity depends on what's behind the image. If there's a solid background layer, like white, you'll see the image fade toward that color. If there's nothing underneath, the image becomes transparent, which is ideal when exporting to formats that support transparency. Either way, lowering opacity is non-destructive, meaning you can come back later and adjust it again without losing quality. If you're working with multiple images, repeat the same approach by selecting each layer and adjusting its opacity separately. Keeping layers clearly named can help you stay organized. That's it. Open the app, click to select your image, and lower the opacity until the fade fits your design. Take a moment to preview the result at full size to ensure it looks natural, and you're done.